Built during an era when Egypt was one of the richest and most dominating civilizations in the world, the pyramids, especially the Great Pyramids of Giza, are some of the most magnificent man-made structures in the history of mankind. Their sheer size and scale depicts the unique role the pharaohs and the kings played in ancient Egyptian history. From the beginning of the dynastic era, royal tombs were carved into rock and covered with flat-roofed rectangular structures known as mastabas, which were early versions of the pyramids. The oldest known pyramid in Egypt was built around 2630 BC at Saqqara for the 3rd dynasty's king Djoser. Known as the Step Pyramid, it began as a traditional mastaba but grew into something much more ambitious. The Old Kingdom of Egypt from 2600 to 2100 BC, also known as the Age of the Pyramids or Age of the Pyramid Builders, is the time when pyramids were at the peak. Almost 4,500 years ago, during the 3rd and 4th dynasties of the Old Kingdom, Egypt enjoyed tremendous economic prosperity and growth. The period reached its peak during the 4th dynasty, when powerful pharaohs such as Neferu and Khufu came into power. The peak of pyramid building began with the late 3rd dynasty and continued until roughly the 6th, around 2300 BC. Kings held a unique position in Egyptian society. Somewhere in between human and divine creatures, they were believed to have been chosen by the gods themselves to serve as their mediators on earth. The most famous Egyptian pyramids are those found at Giza, on the outskirts of Cairo. Several of the Giza pyramids are counted among the largest structures ever built. Pyramid of Khufu at Giza is the largest Egyptian pyramid. It is the only one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world still in existence. It was built for Pharaoh Khufu. The sides of the pyramid's base average 755 feet and its original height is 481 feet, making it the largest pyramid in the world. 3 small pyramids built for Khufu's queens are lined up next to the Great Pyramid. Skeletons excavated from the area show that the workers were probably native Egyptian agricultural laborers who worked on the pyramids. Approximately 2.3 million blocks of stones had to be cut, transported, and assembled to build Khufu's Great Pyramid. It is possible that quarried blocks were then transported to the construction site by wooden sleds, with sand in front to reduce friction. Droplets of water created bridges between the grains of sand, helping them stick together. Constructing the pyramids involved moving huge quantities of stone. One of the very early journals revealed the building process of the Great Pyramid at Giza, the tomb of the pharaoh Khufu, just outside modern Cairo. Rather than overland transport of the limestone used in building the pyramid, there is evidence that limestone blocks were transported along the Nile River. The ancient Greek historian Herodotus wrote that it took 20 years to build and required the labor of 100,000 men. Ancient Egyptians believed that when the king died, part of his spirit remained with his body. To cater for his spirit, the corpse was mummified, and everything the king would need in the afterlife was buried with him, including items like gold vessels, food, furniture, and other offerings. The Egyptians believed the dark area of the night sky around which the stars appear was the physical gateway into the heavens. One of the narrow shafts that extends from the main burial chamber through the entire body of the Great Pyramids points directly towards the center of this part of the sky. This suggests the pyramid may have been designed to serve as a means to connect Pharaoh's soul with the gods in the heavens. Stripped off most of their smooth white limestone coverings, the Great Pyramids no longer reach their original heights. Khufu's pyramid, for example, measures only 450 feet high. Nonetheless, millions of people continue to visit the pyramids each year, drawn by their towering grandeur and the enduring allure of Egypt's rich and glorious past. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Thanks.